At least let me know who it was.
Clever girl.
You know, there are other tables that are cleaned off. You don't always have to sit at this one.
Morning.
Usual?
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Well, at least it feels a little warmer today, right? So, did I tell you what my daughter wants for her birthday now? A kitten. I mean, what am I going to do with a kitten if I'm working 12-hour shifts? Mind you, I don't want to let her down, and I guess her brother could help her out with the cat, but lately he's been so... I mean, he's fine. It's silly. He's been getting teased because he can't get past level 10 in Gatekeeper. It's a video game, and I keep telling him they're not his friends if they won't help him. Kids are mean. It's always something, Lewis. It's always something. I'll be back with your food, okay?
All right, thanks.
Do you like your merch box? Well, I think this one's going to be a good one for you. Give it a
Morning.
roll. Oh, good morning, Louis. Excuse me. So, have you finished your book already?
Denis,
Oh, you melt my heart with that stuff.
c'est mon plaisir.
Oh, that I was 20 years younger. Okay, 40. Who am I kidding? Anyway, I have your next book set aside for you.
Oh, great.
There you go.
Thank you.
And I had a tea I wanted to share with you. But my kettle stopped working.
Ooh. Ginger, little clove,
Mm-hmm.
Guangdong province, maybe, Kenyan leaves.
Oh, you are good. Oh, my goodness. You know how they say certain smells could unlock the memories of a time and place? Well, I did travel through Kenya.
Huh.
Oh, what a time that was. Anyway, I was so looking forward to having tea with you.
Oh, I think it might just be a short. You got a paperclip?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. Here you go. Yeah, you can't buy this in town. I've already checked. Cool.
Voila.
Oh, you are my hero. On the house.
Oh, thank you.
And don't forget to put my secret ingredient in there.
I've got a very special Balvenie 50 waiting.
Woohoo!
Au revoir.
Oh, au revoir.
This isn't gonna work.
Everyone breaks.
I'm gonna repeat the question, Nicholas. Repeat the question.
Gotcha. Hey there. Morning.
Morning. Well, you were right. Definitely caught her just in time. She's ready to pop. I don't think those kittens of hers would have survived long outdoors.
I'd cover it.
Most people just put out poison.
Yeah.
You want one of the kittens?
No, thanks. But if you could save one for Janice at the diner, that'd be great.
Of course. See you later.
See you later.
I mean, my son is perfect. I'm not to tell him to do a thing. But Emma, it's like I have to whack her over the head before she'll even listen. Her mind is always elsewhere. She does have a heart of gold, though. She really does. But I do my best.
I got something for you.
What's this?
That is the code that'll get your son past level 10.
Gatekeeper?
Yeah. I was looking into it last night. All the other kids are using it, too.
You really are a sweet man.
Who's that?
Tony, I think. He started here a few days ago. I don't know much about him. Do you need anything else?
No, I'm good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Louis,
Hey.
there was a man looking for you. He came into the shop and he had a photo.
Oh.
And he's been asking other people. You didn't tell me you were a wanted man. Anyway, I thought you just might want to know.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Him. That's him there.
Jesus.
Who are you?
I'm Dwight Logan. I'm with the agency. And I have a message from Elias Kane.
All right, shut up and drive.
Okay. Okay.
Right, get out, into the barn.
Which one of these numbers belongs to Elias?
Fuck you. Try looking under Kane, asshole.
Empty your pockets.
I'm not comfortable with that.
Empty. Have a seat, pal.
Dwight,
Oh, he's fine. I'm back in an hour.
you didn't trust me.
I don't trust anyone. You know that. You still smoking the Malawis? Your last one?
Sadly, yes, but I quit. It's a hard habit.
No, it's a filthy habit.
The pleasure isn't. Figure my last breath might as well have that sweet flavor running through my lungs one last time, if given the chance. Perhaps that time is now.
How'd you find me?
Big Brother's always watching, Nicholas. The agency's been scanning since you went deep. There was a hit. I intercepted it to protect you, as your friend.
My friend.
I'm the only one who came over to your side after what happened. I'm still on your side. Most of your friends want you dead more than your enemies. Monica's missing.
You're Monica?
Yeah. She's hell-bent on finding out who's behind the assassinations. She always adored you, Nicholas. She feels the same way I do about this. She wants to know who's behind it. I warned her how dangerous it was. She's very skilled. She doesn't have the same experience we do. She got too close, and he took her.
Who?
Quentin. She was onto some lead. Something he had that was positive proof of who set you up, who set all of us up.
Any demands?
Nothing.
Gwen took her. She's already dead.
I don't think so.
Why come to me? Where's the agency in all this?
The agency's all but shuttered after what happened. And what good would they do? You're the only one who knows his real identity and how to find him.
So you didn't expose me because we're friends or because you need me?
Both.
Nobody knows who Quentin is. That's what makes him so powerful.
But he's your guy.
Only through back channels.
That's enough. Look, we don't know for sure if he's involved at all. But Monica found something that convinced her he knows the identity of the assassin. It's on some digital file or something. That was her lead. Where to get her hands on that file when she disappeared. Eight of our friends are dead. Someone forced you to give up their names. Don't you want to know who?
Get up. Let's go.
Jesus Christ, does nothing ever change? For fuck's sakes, Nicholas!
How long have you known my location?
We've known for weeks.
Not you. The hit was a few weeks ago. It took some old-fashioned legwork to pinpoint you after that. All I had was the general area. This isn't how I imagined you living your life. I thought maybe Brussels, even Buenos Aires.
Which is why I'm here and not there.
You don't exactly blend into small-town America, Nicholas.
I don't know. Lewis has made a lot of friends here.
Lewis. It might be cozy, Nicholas, but it's not in your blood.
Yeah. Well, Nick Shaw doesn't exist. You know that. Not after what happened. I'm out of that life, Elias.
Not anymore.
You gonna turn me in if I don't help you?
You'd be helping yourself.
What's done is done.
You know, I should have been allowed to kill him. I really should have.
You're lucky he didn't kill you first, Dwight.
All right.
You're still good, but predictable. I told Dwight all he'd have to do is be seen and you'd come to him.
You know, I could still do the job. I mean, he is a fucking traitor.
Enough. This is a chance to get your life back.
I told you I don't want it back.
Fuck Nick Shaw, then. Fuck the agency. If you're not going to do it for yourself, then I'm asking you to do it for me. Help me find my daughter.
Not with him.
What?
He's not involved.
He's good, Nicholas.
He's careless.
Was trying to be seen.
Talks too much.
Fuck this noise.
Just us.
Okay, just us.
Serious.
There's plenty for you to do. We were never officially shut down, so I still have access to back-channel funding. If there's something we need, I'm sure I can get it. 8 and 5 days. Whoever pulled the trigger was that goddamn good.
Died on their anniversary.
Don't do it to yourself. Family can never know the truth. That's the game we play. Hell, my ex-wife still doesn't know her own daughter's now one of us.
Well, he had to bring Monica in. She was too smart to be lied to.
Too smart for her own good. Nicholas, do you remember anything?
No, not much.
You got away. You escaped. How?
I don't know. Memories aren't clear.
Faces?
No. Pretty sure I was waterboarded. I broke, though. And gave up their names.
I questioned a few of her neighbors. They didn't know her, so not much help.
Surveillance?
Yes, but no hit off her phone or anything else. No lead other than she believed Quentin had the information she was looking for.
So who is she in this world?
Name's Rebecca. Medical technician, single. Travels half the year instructing facilities on how to use the latest equipment.
Malawi?
For one vice, which regrettably I passed on to her. Is this really necessary? I have been through everything here.
Javier?
No one else knew about her and Javier. Obviously, she's devastated. She's determined to find out who's responsible for his death.
Sounds about right.
She reminds me more of you than me.
Fresh. Should've knew we were coming.
I'm telling you, we're running silent on this.
Someone in your circle now.
Dwight's the only one involved, and I trust him with my life.
Well, maybe you shouldn't.
Time to leave.
I'll drive.
So who else wants us dead?
I don't know.
The assassin? Finishing the job? What if it's Quentin? What if he not only knows the identity of the assassin, but he hired the damned assassin in the first place? What if he's behind all this from top to bottom? Monica got too close, and now so are we. The man's a fucking warlord. Drugs, guns, whatever it takes, including eliminating whomever, wherever it gives him better leverage.
Taking out our team is suicide. He knows that. Had to be someone else.
God damn it, it doesn't matter. He's our only connection to Monica and the assassin. We gotta find him and stop fucking around. Doesn't make any sense. I don't understand why. What are you doing?
I could use a trim.
Jesus.
I thought you were dead. How'd you stay under for so long?
Lucky, I guess.
Killing shook our world, brother. Hardly anyone's come up for air since.
You know why I'm here.
I thought you were the one who did it.
If it was me, you think I'd let you touch that 38 in your drawer?
Quentin, no, it's not his style. You people were too valuable to him.
Values change.
Yeah, maybe, but it doesn't add up. You know how Quentin works, right? He loves playing puppet master. And in fact, there's some chatter that he's holding some strings right now. Prize. One of yours?
You know where?
That I don't know. But if she's not dead, then he's using her for bait.
I just need a trim.
He just needs a trim.
Come on.
This guy's got a wet mouth. And he's an idiot, so I'd get to him quickly before he dries up permanently.
Thank you.
It's a dangerous proposition, brother.
Well, maybe the only way to clear my name.
You know, some of us are starting to wonder if there really is a Quentin.
It's good to see you.
Hair looks nice.
Thanks.
Don't you boys have a seat, huh? Mi casa, su casa.
So tell me how the fuck you came to find me.
We're looking for someone.
It's not the question I asked, dickhead. And I was speaking to him. I don't know you. And I already don't like you. And I sure as fuck don't trust you. And you come here asking for me by name in my place of business. But the fucked up thing is that no one knows me by my name in my place of business. The only reason that you are not dead right now is because I would like to know who sent you here.
Oh, I didn't get a name. Did you get a name of the guy who sent us here?
You're not gonna answer the fucking question?
No. You know, that cigarette you're smoking, it's made with tobacco grown in Malawi, near Lilongwe. It's only sold in Central Africa. It's a little strange, because I only know a couple people smoke those. He's one. This woman. She's the other.
Yeah, I'd fuck her.
Where is she?
I'm the one asking the fucking questions. The fuck is this, huh?
No one's coming.
He's very good at this sort of thing.
Fuck you, and fuck you, shoot him in the head! Fuck! Fuck!
Did you take her? Huh? Did you take her?
Yes.
Is she being held?
She's at the orchard.
What's the orchard?
It's a processing farm. You know, like fucking greenhouses 100 miles north.
There's a lot of greenhouses 100 miles north of here.
It's off 55. You cannot miss it. That is the last place that I saw her. I swear to God. It's a fucking game. They keep her in one of the greenhouses and he's waiting for you to find her.
Oh, Quentin? Yes or no?
Come on, cowboy. I gave you what you wanted. Just don't tell anyone we got this because you will have me killed. Here you go.
You good?
Yep, good.
I don't like sitting out.
I need your eyes here.
Just like old times.
Yeah, super fun.
Nicholas, what are you doing here?
I'm with your father.
Where is he?
He's close. Elias, I got her.
There she is. Thank God.
Dad?
It's great to hear your voice, sweetie.
It's here. I almost had it.
I don't care. Just get out of there. They're coming.
Not without the file.
All right. But hurry.
Hold it! Here, take this.
This way. The card will get us into the office.
Okay.
Hey! Stop right there!
Oh, shit.
We have to get to the office. The file is what matters.
Fuck.
Security breach! Check all greenhouses! 4 through 20!
In here. I managed to log on before they caught me, but I can break the encryption.
All right, move over.
USB.
Which one?
Top right.
Nice.
Okay, we don't have time to decode it. All we need is the master database.
That's what I'm doing. I'm downloading it. All right, we're almost there.
Go, go, go! Move!
Hurry, they're coming.
All right, got it.
Thanks for doing the hard part.
What the hell's the matter with you?
I appreciate the rescue. It's over. The drive, now.
Give her the drive, Nicholas.
Good. Nice try, Elias. Fuck. Let's go.
Hold it!
Let's go.
Why don't you just fucking kill me?
Just keep moving. Come on. Oh, shit.
Dwight. Thank you.
How do you slip away?
How do you think? Still better than any of us.
So what now? He is not going to be so forgiving to her.
If she makes it out, she knows where to find me. Is everything else in place?
We are good.
The bullet wasn't deep, you're lucky. I was trying not to move, had to burn the wound. Couldn't find anything but sutures.
Should have let me die.
I'd like to know why you tried to kill me first.
I'll give you a chance to know it's coming next time.
Yeah, I usually know who my enemies are. You surprised me.
They're gonna see the smoke.
Yeah, that's the idea.
What are you doing? You already have a gun.
I spent my last 15 before we hit the woods.
Give him another injection.
Another injection will kill him.
It doesn't matter if he doesn't talk.
Another injection will kill him.
What are you gonna do with me?
Wasn't the torture.
What are you talking about?
That's not why I broke. They drugged me.
You were working with Quentin. You were gonna take over his operations. That's why you let him take out the team.
That's no way.
You had a choice. You turned.
No, I remember.
My father was onto it. He was gonna take down both of you. When you found out, you gave Quentin the names.
Sodium thiopental. Breaks everyone.
No. You gave the names before you were drugged. Sodium thiopental creates memory loss. It can also be used to brainwash.
If I'm the one behind it all, why did I save your sorry life? Why didn't I kill you and your father?
When you remember everything, you will.
These are Quentin's men. They want you dead, too.
Hey, Dad. Guess we should have made the rendezvous at the Ritz-Carlton.
Let's get you to a doctor.
No, I'm fine. Let's just do this first. Please. Okay.
There's no data.
I watched him download it.
No. You thought you watched him download it.
I saw it.
That's what he wanted you to think. He was destroying the evidence.
He knew all along. He was using both of us.
So, what do we do now?
We kill Nicholas before he has a chance to turn on us again.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's gross. Excuse me, could I use your phone?
Who the hell are you?
Quick call.
No.
Yeah, I got a line you can use.
Yeah? Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
No shit.
I didn't know he was gonna pay for it.
Don't be an asshole. You take as long as you want.
Thanks. Hey, it's me. I got a book I want to order. Ready? Here's account number 554981222 Tango Delta 5744 Juliet Kilo X-ray. You got it? All right, I'll see you soon. Thanks.
Hey, you need a ride or anything?
Yes. You give me a lift?
Fuck yeah. Vamos, Vito.
This can end, Nicholas. Who is Quentin? Where is he?
Mister. Hey, mister. We're here.
Yeah.
Hey, you've already paid me enough. Why don't I drive you all the way into town?
No, I'm good. Thanks, man.
Receipt today? Great. Here you go. Here, don't sign that. Here you go. Wow! Look who it is. What a nice surprise. I haven't seen you in ages. I was starting to get worried.
Oh, is there somebody out looking for me?
No, I can't say there has.
Did that book ever come in that I ordered?
Yes, it did. Just 1 minute. Why, thanks. Come again.
Oh, ça c'est mauvais. Pas le choix.
Here. That call could have been intercepted. I got the right file from the database, but it still needs to be decoded. There wasn't enough time.
I'll do it.
What's on it, Nicholas?
Proof of who's behind the hits. Quentin used this as leverage to draw us out.
Will it help you?
I hope so. I got memories slowly coming back. Little things unlocking them, like sounds and smells. Like I remember they drugged me, but nobody asked any questions about our team members, only about Quentin.
Somebody gave up their names if it wasn't me.
Go on. Get out of here. Bad for business.
Anything exciting today, Sheriff?
I'm heading over to Montrose. They're having a fundraiser barbecue at the corner. Some of those boys can get a little excited. Then probably head down to St. Bonnie for a few days after that. Be back in this area Thursday, like always. Nope, nothing new. Just the way I like it.
Well, some of us wouldn't mind some excitement around here.
Daylight savings starts this weekend. Somebody's going to forget to change the clock.
Mind-blowing.
Morning, Sheriff.
Morning.
Stay safe out there.
I appreciate that. You have a good day.
Can I help you?
Yes. Do you know this man?
Lewis. Yeah, of course I know him.
Lewis and I work together. He's not answering his phone, and we're getting a little worried.
Oh. No, I haven't seen him for a couple of days.
Would you happen to have his address?
You work with him, but you don't know where he lives?
No. Lewis is very private.
Huh. You can say that again. I only see him when he comes in here.
Thank you.
You might ask Irene at the village bookshop.
Bookshop?
Just across the street. He reads a lot. Maybe she's delivered some books?
I'll do that. Hi.
Hi.
You're Irene?
That I am. I just fixed some tea if you're interested. Buy a book and it's free of charge.
Perhaps another time.
Okay. Another injection will kill him.
It doesn't matter. If he doesn't give up Quentin, he's useless. All but Nicholas. I need him alive.
What's the timeline?
Immediately. Move quickly. As soon as word reaches the agency anyone's still alive will go deep. You'll have one chance.
Sounds like my kind of challenge.
Actually, I'm looking for a friend of mine. Louis?
Lewis. Ah, well, I know more than one Lewis. What's your Lewis's last name?
Does the name Nicholas Shaw ring any fucking bells, old lady? You're his gatekeeper. Tell me how to get to his house or I'll put you into the dark.
Nicholas would never tell me that. He's far too careful. Besides, you don't need to know where he lives, because he's coming for you now. You fucking traitor.
She's useless.
Well, he can't be very far. Maybe we should just start checking the houses.
You think he'd make it that easy?
I don't know with this fucking guy. He's got to be somewhere, though.
Yeah, he's somewhere. Get down!
Where is he? What are you finding so funny?
There's nothing funny. We're already dead.
Fuck that. See?
No. Let's go! My way!
I'll call an ambulance.
Don't. Get up!
I know who's behind this.
I'm sure you do.
There's a file on my phone. Let me take it from my pocket.
There was no file. You erased.
I memorized the numbers. It's decoded. The assassin was Fiona Snow, hired by the man next to her. Your father ordered the hit on Javier and the others. He was moving in on Quentin's operation.
The photograph doesn't prove anything.
Listen to the recording. You were closing in. He was willing to risk your life to stop
I
it.
don't believe you.
Elias did this to me, Monica. Fucking ruined my life. Just to get to Quentin. It's the only reason I'm still alive. Just listen to it.
Move quickly. As soon as word reaches the agency, anyone still alive will go deep. you'll have one chance.
Okay? Here, hold this. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it just grazed you. Here. Let's hold that there.
No.
It's okay, you're just in shock. It's all right. Just hold on, I gotta go.
No, please.
It's okay, I'll be back.
Lock 17. 17 rounds.
I lost count. Always loved this time of year. Things I will miss. God damn it. There's never any gray area with you. Right and wrong, black and white. The world doesn't work that way anymore. Hell, it never did. The line between shadow and light has always been blurred. We've always had one foot in, one foot out. I didn't. It wasn't meant to happen the way it did. I thought I could move merchandise without anybody the wiser. Operate in both the shadow and the light. Got in over my head. It was either them or me.
And me.
And you. Someday you'll have to make a similar choice. If you choose differently, you're a braver man than me.
You were never a brave man, Elias.
Wait. Did you really have him killed? I need to know.
I can't tell you anything, Monica. Other than I'm sorry.
I didn't ask for an apology. I need to know if it's true so that I can kill you.
There's nothing I can tell you, Monica. I'm sorry.
You knew it was Elias. You could have exposed him, but you just let him ruin my life.
You know why that is, Nicholas. I had to let it play out. Wasn't sure of everyone's roles, yours included, yes. But you did everything exactly as I thought. World's a dangerous place. I can't afford to trust anyone.
Was that one of yours tried to kill us at Monica's apartment?
It seems this conspiracy goes deeper than you think. You really think this was just about Elias working the underground?
You can do better than that.
Milana, you forgot it again. You don't want to go home without that, do you? Find your assassin and you'll find your answer.
Fiona Snow, where is she?
What do I get in return?
Bonjour.
I have it.
Are we still in the deep?
This didn't end with Elias. You?
Eyes on her as we speak.
I'll be away on business for a few weeks.
All right, safe travels.